Welcome back to Lunch at the Market for today. Wow, what a day. Lots of fun, especially at the open. Hopefully you got the tweet at the very beginning of the day. This morning's open was what we've been looking for to finally make some trades for November expiration. Besides the flush on the banks last week, there really hasn't been moves lately to justify us laying out new positions. Our favorite trade until we get 7 to 10 days of selling and bring the market back to where we feel comfortable adding to or initiating long positions is to keep selling put spreads when the market gives us a price we think is close to support. Okay, so what did we do this morning? Apple was the easy trade this morning. The stock got obliterated on the open, down 20%. You really have to wonder who felt like hitting the sell button below $300. Whoever did was wrong, but we sold the November 290, 280 put spreads this morning on the open. As you guessed, we're quickly in the green on that trade. We'll still hold to expiration to get the max profit on this trade. Below $300 is your line in the sand to get long Apple if you miss the recent run or if you need to add to your long position. Next, CREE. You get earnings today in CREE, so we actually like the November 47.5, 42.5 put spread to sell over $1 as the stock is already down 3.6% over $2. We'd really like to do a strangle where we're long a put and a call on each side of the spot price of the stock, but to do one in CREE is going to cost you $500, and a big part of the move is already getting priced in intraday. Yesterday, this might have been a better trade to put on the strangle, so we like selling the November 47.5, 42.5 put spreads in CREE. Speaking of a strangle, we do like the November 30 and the November 31 in WDC. The stock has wiggled all over the place recently, and with the stock finally back above $30 into earnings after the close today, I want to play the stock for a big move. We also like selling the November 28-25 put spread as well. That $28 is your line in the sand to get long the stock should it go there. Finally, old favorite Salesforce.com, symbol CRM, had a huge flush down to 101 on the open. We put on our favorite trade by selling put spreads. We got a chance to sell the November 85-75 put spreads this morning on the open, and the stock is already up $3 from this morning's lows. We'll keep you up to date throughout the month on these and other trades of high interest. Thanks for tuning in again today. Hopefully you got the tweet this morning at the open that today is what we've been looking for. We're too busy trying to bang out the trades to be able to send you everything we did real time. The Lunch of the Market video is really about getting you to the point where you feel comfortable putting yourself into these trades without needing us. As always, if you have names that you want on the show or have feedback on, to be sure to mention us on Twitter or leave a comment on a YouTube video. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.